Morning, flower friends. It's Lisa dropping in here for your Friday morning reminder to join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside my app. Because look at that coxcomb back there, y'all. Look at that. This stuff is gorgeous. The show today, you're going to see all the harvest, right? Individual flowers. I go through the whole gamut. But today I'm talking about preparing for the next key cool flower planting time, which is very early spring, because if you don't do what you're supposed to do now, you will not be ready for that time then. So I'll be sharing my tips on doing that. And I literally am showing seedlings that I've just taken off the heat. This one's actually going back because it's not quite sprouted enough. And y'all look at this. I have got so many snapdragons going around here. So we'll be looking at all of these things this morning. So the show happens inside my live shopping show app. Think QVC type show, but it's me with gardening stuff, my flowers, and telling you how I do stuff and how we use it. And I'd love for you to join me. I give away something every week. Normally, it's a $25 store credit. What a giveaway, right? You have to be live to enter it and to get it. So join me 12 noon Eastern time. If you don't have my phone app, it's free and works like a dream. Just comment app here. I'll DM you the link to get it, or you can just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, and download the live shop. And it's tons of fun. You can watch replays. We have a deal of the day. They're always very timely. And anyway, it's a lot of fun, and I just can't wait. I have eucalyptus and just all kinds of fun stuff to show you this week. So join me. And if you can't make it live, as I said, you can watch the replay. You can shop inside the app 24/7. We sell almost as much on our app as we do on our big website. But here's the bonus about shopping for seeds on the app. Inside the app, when you place seed-only orders, I pay the shipping. So that's kind of a little plug. And the whole reason for that is when you meet a flower that I show you and you just fall in love, we want you to be able to buy the flower seeds when you meet the flower. That's the only way you ever remember, friends. So join me 12 noon Eastern time. Get in on the giveaway. Great tips today about the second cool flower window to plant. And you're going to see some of my cool flower seedlings coming along. All right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.